Hair is a natural thread-like structure that grows from tiny pockets, called follicles, in our skin, especially on our head. It's made up mostly of a protein called keratin, which is also found in nails and animal horns. Hair starts growing from the root inside the follicle, where cells multiply and push up through the skin. As the cells move upward, they harden and die, forming a strand. This dead strand of keratinized cells is what we see and call hair. Each person has between 100,000 and 150,000 hair follicles on their scalp alone. Hair growth happens in three main phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. During the anagen phase, hair is actively growing. This can last anywhere from 2 to 6 years, making it the longest phase. The catagen phase is much shorter, lasting just a few weeks, and is a transitional period where growth slows and the hair prepares to shed. Finally, the telogen phase is when the hair stops growing and eventually falls out, allowing a new strand to start growing in its place. This cycle explains why we lose a few strands of hair daily. It's part of a natural process. Hair also has a unique structure with three main layers: the medulla, the innermost core, the cortex, the thick middle layer, and the cuticle, the outer protective layer. The cortex is the largest layer and contains pigments, which give hair its color. These pigments, eumelanin for darker shades and pheomelanine for red and yellow tones, combine to produce our natural hair colors. Over time, hair loses pigment, resulting in gray or white hair as we age. Hair serves different purposes, such as providing warmth, protection, and sensory information. On our head, hair helps to shield the scalp from sun exposure and retain heat. Body hair, though finer, serves a similar purpose, while eyelashes and eyebrows protect our eyes from debris and sweat. Additionally, hair can act as a sensory tool, detecting tiny changes in our environment, such as a breeze, through the nerve endings connected to each follicle. Hair care involves keeping hair clean and healthy by washing, conditioning, and sometimes trimming it. People use different hair care routines depending on their hair type, which can range from straight to curly. Proper hair care can prevent breakage, maintain scalp health, and promote shine. Each strand's appearance is influenced by factors like genetics, age, diet, and overall health, making hair care an essential part of personal grooming and self-expression.